What is good, Bit Rushers? It's Kyler here, and today we're going to be going over what I'm doing in my garage to build wealth. One hint for you, it is not mining or crypto related. If you have a guess as to what it is before we get started, go ahead and leave that in the comments. Also, before we get going, just a couple quick announcements. Number one, I now have a Twitter account. Please follow me at BitRush9000, link in the description. If you want to chat with me, I also now have a Telegram group you can join, BitRush9000, link in the description. Also, we'll be doing a Ethereum giveaway when I hit 500 subs. I'm currently just over 400, so another 100 subs to go. To play along and be entered in this giveaway, just simply subscribe to the channel and leave your Ethereum address in the comments in any of my videos from now until 500 subs. Alright guys, let's get into it. Okay guys, if you can figure it out, what I'm doing is pouring bars of silver bullion. In addition to converting my fiat money into hard metal assets I can stack in my safe, I also decided to turn it into a little bit of a business and started a company, Pagano Silver Supply, selling these as 1 ounce bars. They're all stamped 1 troy ounce. 0.99 fine silver, and their unique identifier number, which number they are in the batch. They each come with a individually wrapped with the certificate of authenticity with their unique number and a nice little bag and everything. So if you guys are interested in actually buying some of these, I'll leave a link in the description to eBay. I'm selling them as 4-packs, so 4 1-ounce bars for $110, about $26 each ounce, and then a few dollars for shipping. They are sold at $110 with free shipping, so if you're interested, leave that link in the description. Otherwise, go ahead and smash that like button, guys. Hit the subscribe button and the bell for notifications on future videos. If you enjoyed this one, please share it with your friends. That's it for today. Let's get that coin.